Hello dear students. So in carboxylic acids chapter, so let us discuss about the acid anhydrides. So acid anhydrides are the derivatives of carboxylic acids. They are the derivatives of carboxylic acids in which a water molecule is lost between two carboxylic acid molecules. So here you can see there are two carboxylic acid molecules. So this is one carboxylic acid molecule. This is another carboxylic acid molecule. So when a water molecule, is eliminated between the two carboxylic acid molecule, so then the acid anhydrides are formed. So acid anhydrides are the hydrides of the carboxylic acids. So these acid anhydrides are formed when a water molecule is eliminated or lost between two carboxylic acid molecules. So they are called as the acid anhydrides. Okay, so let us write some examples. If R and R dash are equal to the CH3 group, so then the acid anhydride CH3. So this is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So this is an hydride of acetic acid. When two molecules of acetic acid lose one molecule of water between those two acetic acid molecules, then acetic anhydride is formed. So next one more example let us take. If R is a phenyl group and R dash is a methyl group. So then C6H5 CH3. So this is methyl benzoate. Methyl benzoate. Okay. So when a water molecule is lost between the benzoic acid and the acetic acid, the methyl benzoate is formed. So next let us see the properties of acid anhydrides. The properties of acid anhydrides. So first let us see the hydrolysis of acid anhydrides. So acid anhydrides, when they undergo hydrolysis, so they form the parent carboxylic acid. So they will going to form the parent carboxylic acid. So let us write its general reaction. So this is the acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. So when it undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, so we know that they will going to form their parent carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is one carboxylic acid, this is another carboxylic acid. So two carboxylic acids are formed. So let us write an example for this one. So when acetic acid undergoes hydrolysis, so this is acetic anhydride. So when acetic anhydride undergoes hydrolysis, okay, So it will form two molecules of carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Two molecules of acetic acid are formed. Okay. So next let us discuss other properties of the acid anhydrides. So next let us discuss about the second property of acetic anhydrides, that is number two, reduction with alcohol. Reduction with alcohol. So let us see how these acid anhydrides reacts with alcohols. Okay, so when acid anhydrides are treated with alcohols, so they form esters and carboxylic acids. Okay, so when acid anhydrides are treated with alcohols, so they form esters and carboxylic acid. So let us write its general reaction. So this is acid anhydride plus alcohol. So they will form an ester and a carboxylic acid. Plus OH. So this is an ester and this is a carboxylic acid. Okay, so acid anhydrides when treated with alcohol, so they form an ester and a carboxylic acid. So let us write an example. So let us take the example of acetic anhydride. So this is acetic anhydride so ethanol, ethyl alcohol, C2H5, so ethyl acetate, an ester plus a carboxylic acid. So that is, it forms a carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid is formed. Okay, so when acetic anhydride is treated with alcohol, it forms ethyl acetate and acetic acid. So next let us move on to some other properties of these acid anhydrides. So let us see how these acid anhydrides reacts with ammonia. So that is reaction with ammonia. So these acid anhydrides reacts with ammonia to form an amide and a carboxylic acid. Okay, so they are forming acid anhydrides. When they react with ammonia, they form an amide and a carboxylic acid. So let us write its general reaction. So this is acid anhydride. So when they react with ammonia, so they will form an amide, that is RCONH2. So an amide plus a carboxylic acid. This is a carboxylic acid. Okay. So let us write an example. So that is, let us consider the example of acetic anhydride. So this is acetic anhydride. So when acetic anhydride is made to react with ammonia, so let us see the products formed. So that is CH3 CONH2. So this is the amide. So that is, it is acetamide. Okay, so when acetic anhydride is treated with ammonia, it forms acetamide, an amide, and also a carboxylic acid. So that is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Okay,